So how do you export contacts on the iPad? Let's get into it. So there are some apps which you can utilize for this purpose, but before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you'll never miss anything important in the future. Now, essentially, you can go ahead and open up the App Store and look up some application which will let you export the contacts. So you can literally just type in export contacts like that into the search and then download some apps. So you can see there is an app which is literally called like that. I have used it before and it works well. You just download it onto your iPad. When you get them like inside of the app for the first time, it asks you to get access to your contacts. So you need to click on continue, make sure you allow it, right? Then select or share all of your contacts like that. And you can essentially export all of them into a different format, right? You can use the V card or a CSV, which is, the, Excel spreadsheet or whatever. So depends on which format you want to do it, but you can export it like that. Click on continue. Perhaps there might be an ad which you need to wait out inside of the app, but once you do that, it's pretty much just okay. And after everything is completed, you will end up with a finished file, which you can then share or save to your files, share it through email or save it anywhere else you decide. But you will essentially end up with an exported V card, which you can then import to another device or do whatever you need. But that's how it works. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I will catch you later in the next one. Thanks a lot again, and I'll see you later.